It's been such a long day. I just want to go to bed.
Why?
Because I'm tired and sleeping will recharge my body.
But how?
We all know sleeping is a way for us to rest and feel better. But how does it really do that? We spend a third of our lives sleeping, but what really happens when we sleep? Well, first, when you're falling asleep, the pineal gland inside your brain produces this chemical called melatonin. Inside the brainstem, there is a band of fibers called the reticular formation. It's kind of like your body's activation switch. It usually keeps you awake and alert, but melatonin turns it off and you would enter the state of unconsciousness. Melatonin also affects the pons inside your brain. The pons is what controls your muscles and body. The melatonin causes the pons to tell your body to relax. For most of your sleep, your brain activity also slows down. Each of your nerve cells communicate with each other through a structure called a synapse. One nerve cell would shoot neurotransmitters, which are like packets of information, and the other nerve cell would receive them with receptors. But when you sleep, your brain produces these chemicals called gamma-aminobutyric acid, or GABA. But GABA is like a jealous friend. It wants to hang out with the receptors too, so it binds onto them, blocking the neurotransmitters. Without active and fast nerve cells, your brain slows down.
But that's just how we sleep.
What makes us actually feel refreshed in the morning? Good question. As you do activities throughout the day, toxic proteins like beta amyloid and tau are produced. These proteins grab onto your nerve cells and choke them. That's why when you're tired, you cannot think clearly. But during sleep, your brain's waste clearance system, called the glymphatic system, cleans out the whole place. It's like your brain taking a shower and washing away all the dirt. That's why your mind works better when you wake up. At the same time, when you're warm in bed and not using a whole lot of energy, your cells use this time to produce a bunch of proteins. These proteins help you repair any broken cells as well as make new cells. So now you know, sleeping doesn't shut your body down, but it heals your body so it can feel 10 times better in the morning.